And a most pleasant good Tuesday to everybody. The 23rd of June, 2020. My name is Jewel. This is J7409 Weather. Thanks so much for checking it out with me today. Here's a NAM map. I'm not going to do like I usually do and tell you everything that's going on. I'm going to turn it on and tell you what you need to know. We do have this risk of flash flooding across southeast Texas today, and it's going to continue through tomorrow, and also for the central Appalachians for today also. We got this slight risk of weather for portions of New Mexico and West Texas today, and boy, the hot temperatures is going to continue across the northeastern and northern sections of California today. Checking out some of the weather conditions across the lower 48, Dallas, Texas, 70% chance of severe thunderstorms today with a high of 82, 20% chance of thunderstorms tonight with a low of 70. Durham, North Carolina should be mostly sunny, 20% chance of thunderstorms for the afternoon with a high of 90 today. Tonight, those storms will increase up to a 60% chance of thundershower activity with a low of 69 for Durham. Cherry Hill, New Jersey, partly sunny, high of 91. Tonight, 50% chance of scattered thunderstorms. Your low tonight should be 72. Long Island, New York, sunny with a 30% chance of maybe some afternoon thunderstorms. Going to be rather on the warm side, high of 90. Tonight, 40% chance of thunderstorms with a low of 73. Roswell, New Mexico, mostly cloudy. 20% chance of afternoon thunderstorms today with a high of 88. Tonight for Roswell, that chance will increase to 60% chance of severe thunderstorm activity with a low of 64. Charleston, West Virginia, 40% chance of thunderstorms today, increasing to 70% chance for the afternoon hours. Your high today should be 81. Tonight, expect maybe a 60% chance of rain is what it's looking like, mainly before 11 p.m. with a low of 61. And Yuba City, California, it's going to be sunny. It's going to be hot. Your high today, 100. For tonight, clear skies and a low of 66 degrees. And now as we check out tropical weather, we will check over with the National Hurricane Center. But this is just a little old subtropical storm, folks. I mean, it's not even a storm. It's just a system. You see it right here. It doesn't look very well defined at all. And it's probably going to just go away by tomorrow. I've got this right now at 8 p.m. for tonight. You can see it's getting more disorganized as it moves along. We'll move up to around 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And poof, it looks like it is practically gone. It's still there, but not a whole lot going on with it. As we do come over to the National Hurricane Center, here we have it right here. It's subtropical depression. It's just a subtropical depression for the winds are 35 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars. If you're tracking it, it's 39.3 north, 63.4 west. It's moving northeast at 13 miles per hour. It is going to boogie on out, as you can see, up and out and across. And as I just showed you, it looks like it's going to diminish and not turn into a whole lot of anything. Now, when we come over to the Eastern Pacific, that's a different story. We got 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians. Yes, we do indeed. We'll start out over here with disturbance number 1. This is a low-pressure area. It's more than 1,500 miles southwest of the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula, and it continues to produce an area of cloudiness and showers. Although the shower activity has become a little less organized overnight, environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development, and this system is likely to become a tropical depression during the next few days. It's moving westward very slow. In 2 days, 50% chance. In 5 days, 70% chance. Now, when we move over to disturbance number 2, these showers and thunderstorms are associated with an elongated area of low pressure. They're several hundred miles south-southwest of the southern tip of Baja California Peninsula. They have not become any better organized since yesterday, and the environmental conditions are forecast to remain conducive, though, for gradual development over the next couple of days. But it's looking like the disturbance is forecast to move over some cooler waters after tomorrow, which should inhibit further development. It's got a 50% chance of doing something 2 days and 5 days. Now, over here, disturbance number 3. It's very disorganized as of today, and these thunderstorms located a few hundred miles southwest of the Gulf of Tikpay. I couldn't hardly get that out. Excuse me, folks. They're associated with a tropical wave, all right? Now, environmental conditions are expected to be conducive for development, and the system is likely to become a tropical depression in a few days while it moves west-northwestward parallel to the coast of Mexico. It's got a 30% chance in 2 days, an 80% chance in 5 days. And remember, yesterday I told you this little fella was going to go up like this. So we're going to keep our eyes on all of these just to make sure none get over to our friends in Hawaii. Right now, it doesn't look like they are. It looks like that these two, this one may diminish. It's looking like this one may go south of the islands. I'll keep my eyes on it for you, and I'll watch out for this one also. Okay, checking out severe weather for today with a categorical outlook. Yes, we do have that chance of some. We got isolated strong to severe thunderstorms are going to be possible over parts of the southern plains and to the lower Mississippi Valley and the southeast, mainly this afternoon and evening. Now, strong storms with mainly damaging wind threats may also occur over portions of the Appalachians and the Mid-Atlantic region. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on all of that. The greatest chance here, looking like in New Mexico, as I told you, New Mexico's got this big chance of severe thunderstorms coming up later tonight, especially in Roswell with a 60% chance of severe thundershower activity. So keep that in mind. You can see, though, all of the Gulf Coast states from Florida over to Texas, also up in the Mid-Atlantic and parts of Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Pennsylvania, moving on up further northward into western New York. You could have some thunderstorms to pop up. That might be a little bit on the severe side. So far as tornadoes, that's looking good for everybody. Less than 2% chance. It's looking like nothing should pop up. So far as the wind goes, greatest wind's going to be in just a little bit of Texas, mostly in New Mexico. But this chance is at 5%. It's going to go all the way up to the panhandles of Texas, Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, and parts of Colorado. Keep that in mind. 5% chance of some severe wind popping up with these thunderstorms from Florida to Texas and also up in the northern area of the U.S. And when it comes to hail, don't be surprised if New Mexico, you may get some large hail. Now, I'm not talking bowling ball size, but it could be rather large. So please keep your eyes open for that. If it starts to occur, make sure you got your car put up or anything outside that may get broken. You need to pay attention to that. It's up to a 15% chance right in this area. 5% chance for parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, and Texas. The panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma. Also parts of Colorado. And that's a check of your weather today. Thanks so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and make sure you check off all. Got to check off all if you want to receive notifications of my videos. I love you all so much. I thank you for everything you do for me. May each of you have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. And peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.